Hey there, just wanted to give you another option for bedtime curl or wave without heat. So most of you do ponytails or side braids. So this is another option just so you don't have to do those touch-up curls in the morning. Make sure you use your oil and your brush. Make sure that your hair is also dry when you do this. So go ahead and split in the back, even on both sides. I'm going to grab a section there in the top, split it in two, and then I'm going to start twisting the piece towards my face, towards the back of my head, and then I'm grabbing pieces from the back. Always grab on the one that you're twisting back off the face. You're going to do that until about mid-ear, and then once you get there, there's a large chunk in the back there that you're going to add as your third piece, and you're just going to braid down the bottom like normal. So what you can do after the braid is done is go ahead and fan the braid out if you want something a little looser. If not, leave it just the way it is. It's very important that you don't do this with wet hair. It would look really crimpy, but I always feel like it just looks better when it's done with dry hair, so make sure you do that. I'm continuing on the other side. Just make sure you're adding hair to the piece that you just twisted back. So you're twisting like over top the other, away from your face. Again, towards the middle of the ear, then you're going to grab the big section in the back to make for your third piece. Go ahead and braid all the way down, then fan it out if you need to. And this should give you a nice heatless wave for tomorrow. And I hope you guys enjoy.